Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best straight razors Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Utopia Care Professional Barber Straight Edge Razor. If you want a more professional journal, the full quality and made then professional hairstylist look to last, look no further than the straight edge shaver for the care of Utopia. The shaver has a shiny black appearance, which would be absolutely fascinating and adds its fascinating aesthetics. The body is stainless steel and black matte more or less eliminates the possibility of razor rust. It sports an ergonomic design, rounded edges for smooth and clean shaven and an easy grip for bigger is better performance for this shaver outlet 100 derby blades that come with it, which can be easily installed and ensure a decent amount of longevity. Each sheet is 430 degrees and Japanese stainless steel construction ensures durability. The same as any razor, must be careful to use. To back up, the blade is locked within the walls of security, and if you feel it is easy to solve pressing the walls when positioning a new leaf and then close the lid and you're good to go. Professional hairdresser shaving Utopia attention is undoubtedly the best choice in this list, and it should be a bit its closest competitor if you are considering buying a razor. Number 2. Our second best pick is Equinox Professional Straight Edge Razor. Razors have existed for centuries and predate shavers in everything we use, and the professional Equinox Straight Edge Razor recalls this glorious history. Its design is a classic and reminds one of a feeling of nostalgia. Actually, it leans toward the classic feel and comes with a stainless steel surface that looks as sharp and demanding as it actually is. Made of stainless steel of high quality, Razor Equinox it keeps the distance oxide and lasts a long time. The blades are useful for more and the use of the razor blade 100 derby accompanying, this means you can search by about 200 shaves slightly ahead. The blades are easy to operate, largely replaced thanks to the protection of the open sheet. It makes changing your old blade with a new transparent exercise. The Equinox also features an ergonomic design, safety and comfort in spirit, and its use is very simple, but are simply your finger on the ring loop handle back, the middle and index fingers up and thumbs near the knife compartment, and its shaving can continue. It is also very accessible. So in terms of quality, durability and maneuverability, Razor Equinox offers a good price over and over again. Number 3. Our third best pick is Parker SRX Professional Straight Edge Barber Razor. There are some brands that have been connected to something, you can always expect quality. Parker is one of them. The SRX Parker heavy-duty straight stainless steel barber razor edge is ideal for professionals, and this is a fact that oozes out of each pore of the razor. The properties of the razor: a beautiful, glossy design with one arm and scale steel heavyweight. The exposure rounded at the tip of the blade portion, shaver reduced to the minimum by the blade gets the opportunities section. To further illustrate Parker's commitment to safety, the shaver also comes with a knife holder you can shorten in place or disabled. This prevents leaf falls when inserted. Apart from it, this is an impressive blade that is ideal for professionals in their design for easy operation, a definitive option to consider when buying the razor. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DOVO Silver Shavette Straight Razor. DOVO has made a name just created by fabulous design cutting razor, and Silver Shavette is no exception. While the style as a utility knife, shaving get Shavette Plata leaves no doubt about the idea that engineering entered this razor. The DOVO Silver Shavette seems to also include a bottle opener, but the created utilitarian design contrasts with the ability of this shaver satisfactory deep shaving. By the way it feels in your hand, the ease which replaces the blades, the ultra-compact profile that assumes when folded, is a great razor by almost any measure. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Feather SS Folding Handle Razor. Grip Pen Wrinkles SS Razor is a great product that you should also see if you get a new razor. It sports a black fashion design and is given a modern touch, but as good as classical built each shaver you can imagine. The super engineering resin handle is also easy to keep while shaving with wet hands. Chewing gum can defend against some intense heat and touted as able support F. To 135C 275 No comes with additional blades as the other options on this list, but supports other blades and brands. It is easy to switch between them in terms of performance. The blade is sharp and undesirable, cuts hair with incredible efficiency, but as with most blades, it could also cut skin around the mouth and chin. It is a leaf that would be more appropriate for experienced users rather than beginners, but this does not prohibit its use for less experienced users. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.